We are at the 6th annual Swim for the Light this morning. I believe Dominique Newland is out there live.
Good morning, guys. Yeah, I left my swimsuit at home. I'm going to let these professionals take it over, these athletes here. But it is a beautiful morning for a swim. Even better, it's all going to a good cause. So we're hanging out at Xavier College Prep this morning. I have swimmers Sophie and Audrey with me. Ladies, tell me what's going on.
Yeah, so we're doing a swim fundraiser for Swim for the Light, and we're raising awareness for athletes' mental health, and we're just showing people that it's okay not to be okay and that there's always someone you can reach out to.
Yeah. Audrey, what's the morning looking like? I know we have some of your, teammates, I can say that, currently in the pool, but what are the relays going to look like?
Yeah, so we have about 40 girls, so after they're done with our set this morning, we're going to do some fun relays with everyone. We do about 4 or 5, and we do all sorts of relays, like a t-shirt and an inflatable gator relay, so it's super fun.
Yeah. I want to talk to you just being an athlete, very demanding, a grueling process, of course rewarding as well, but sometimes, just due to that pressure, it can take a little bit of a toll on your mental health. Have you guys had any experiences with that?
Yeah, I think most swimmers can attest to the struggles that you go through when it's a bad meet or a bad race, and just having this as an outlet and raising awareness for this good cause is just so important to all of us on the Xavier swim team.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, thank you ladies for chatting with me a little bit. I want to turn things over as well to Dr. Wendy Watson this morning with Valleywise. We were just talking mental health as far as athletes, but it's something that just affects us all.
It really does. I mean, I think at some point, any time in our lives, some of us have felt anxious or very sad or depressed, and we really have about 1 in 20 Americans that are living with severe mental illness, and 1 out of every 5 that are actually living with mental illness. And about 30% of people do not actually go out and receive care, and that could be because of access or even stigma. That's why what they're doing today is so important. It's showing other teens out there, please go get help.
Yeah. What does that help look like? What are just some of those resources available? Because now even virtually could be a topic if you get a little nervous, that face-to-face.
Absolutely. It's actually about 1 out of every 2 appointments I have is a virtual appointment where I'm a psychiatrist and I help the people to kind of find out what's going on exactly. Is there a diagnosis going on? Is there a way that I can help? Is there therapy that we can do? Talk therapy, or what other things that we can do to help? So it could be virtual, it could be in person. It's really up to you.
Okay, great. And starting early as well, these girls are going to go on to even bigger and better things, but starting that conversation in mental health, maybe it's something that may be new to them, so important.
I work with kids, and that's the number one thing I talk to parents about. Talk to them early. Let them know it's okay to talk about these things. And it really opens up the door for the rest of their lives, that they can say, you know what, this is an okay thing to talk about. If I'm struggling, I have my mom, I have a friend, I have people out there that understand. And that's why what they're doing today, these teens are doing today, are so important.
Yeah. I want to talk about the proceeds as well, where those will be going.
Absolutely. 100% of the proceeds are going to the Valleywise Foundation, 100% to the patients themselves. Really to say, hey, are there things that we can do just to help with their everyday lives? Just even basic things like clothing, but also other things like journals for teens, so important. Things that are beyond medications, beyond what we can do. 100% goes to patients today.
Amazing. Dr. Watson, we're out of time, but thank you so much. And yeah, currently going underway, swimming for a good cause here at Xavier College Prep. I'll send it back to you guys.